Alright, so you are welcome to this video. This video is about Clever. Clever is a smart USD banking platform that offers you virtual card and other services, and you can use it to get US based account, USD account, because if you want to open an account in dollars, then you will have to go to bank and follow long procedures. But using this Clever, it's just a simple and smart platform where you can go and create a USD account and then use it for your businesses like Amazon KDP. If you are doing Amazon KDP, you can use the account to receive payment from Amazon. And also, if you are into freelance business, you can use Upwork, and other freelance platform to receive your payments. All right, and you can even use their virtual card to run adverts. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on getclever.com. That's their website here. So you can see it here in my address bar. Okay, just type getclever.com and then hit enter, and you are good to go. Alright, so we are into Get Clever now. Then you can download the application. If you are using Android or iOS, you can get their application if you like, and you can just hit on register here. Okay, just click on get started here, and then fill your detail there the way it is. Alright, and then accept their terms and conditions, and then click on create button. You see, user account created. Then go to your email to verify. Okay, alright, so once you verify and log into your account, you will be asked to set transaction pin, and you can choose your own transaction pin. So just choose your transaction pin and click on continue, and here we are. Then here you KYC form here, so that you can complete your account detail. Then provide your personal information, your ID card and selfie video. Okay, so if you are getting value in this video, please like and share. Alright, so all you have to do, just use this detail here and fill everything with your own detail, and you are good to go. Alright, and then save and continue. I'm not gonna do that now because it will take much time, so I don't want this video to be that long. So all you have to do, just do it yourself, and you are good to go. You can check the link below this video to get started. Then upload your documents and take a selfie of yourself, and that's it. You will get your bank account, your USD bank account will be ready for you, and you can use it to accept payment from Amazon or any other freelance website. Okay, so see you in the next video.